When it comes to enhancing the look, comfort, and energy efficiency of your home, one of the most impactful changes you can make is upgrading your windows. Whether you're building a new home, renovating an existing one, or simply replacing old, inefficient windows, professional window installation in Houston offers numerous benefits that DIY projects or hiring inexperienced contractors simply can't match. Here are the top reasons why you should choose professional window installation for your Houston home. Expertise and experience. Professional window installers bring a wealth of expertise and experience to the table. Installing windows might seem like a straightforward task, but it requires precise measurements, knowledge of various window types, and an understanding of local building codes. A certified window installer in Houston knows how to handle various window models, materials, and styles, ensuring that the installation is done right the first time. Their training allows them to quickly identify and resolve any potential issues, preventing costly mistakes. Proper installation for maximum efficiency. Windows are an essential element in maintaining your home's energy efficiency. Poor installation can result in drafts, heat loss, and increased utility bills. Professionals are skilled in installing windows with proper sealing and insulation, which is crucial for energy efficiency. They understand the importance of airtight seals around the window frame, which ensures that your home stays cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, leading to significant savings on energy costs. In Houston's hot, humid climate, energy-efficient windows are particularly important. Professional window installers will help you select windows that are tailored to the local climate and your home's needs, maximizing comfort and minimizing the stress on your HVAC system. Enhanced curb appeal and value. New windows can instantly boost the aesthetic appeal of your home. Whether you are replacing outdated, damaged windows or upgrading to a more modern design, professional installation guarantees a flawless fit that enhances the beauty of your property. Moreover, choosing the right style and material can make your home more attractive to potential buyers if you ever decide to sell. A professional installer will ensure that the windows are aligned properly, eliminating the potential for uneven gaps or unsightly installations. This attention to detail contributes to the overall value of your home, both in terms of its visual appeal and its market value. Safety and security. When installed incorrectly, windows can become a security risk. A poorly installed window may not lock securely, creating an easy entry point for burglars. Professionals understand how to install windows that are not only secure but also meet safety standards. They ensure that locking mechanisms are properly aligned and functioning, giving you peace of mind knowing your home is safe. Additionally, some types of windows, such as casement windows or sliding windows, require specific installation techniques to ensure they function properly and provide optimal security. A professional installer has the tools and experience to get the job done right. Save time and avoid stress. Window installation is a time-consuming process that requires careful planning and attention to detail. By hiring a professional in Houston, you can save valuable time and avoid the hassle of doing it yourself. A team of experienced installers will handle everything from the removal of old windows to the final cleanup, ensuring that the job is completed in a timely manner with minimal disruption to your daily life. Furthermore, professionals can anticipate any complications that may arise during the installation process, which means fewer delays or surprises. They know how to work efficiently and effectively, ensuring that the project stays on schedule. Long-term durability and warranty. When you choose professional installation, you benefit from the long-term durability of your windows. Professional installers work with trusted manufacturers and use high-quality materials that ensure your windows perform well for many years. Most reputable window companies also offer warranties on both the windows and their installation services. This means that if anything goes wrong within the warranty period, you can count on the professionals to fix it at no additional cost to you. This peace of mind is invaluable, especially when compared to the risks associated with DIY window installation, where mistakes can lead to additional costs or the need for early replacements. Conclusion: choosing professional window installation in Houston is an investment in your home's efficiency, security, and overall value. With their expertise, attention to detail, and ability to handle complex installations, professional window installers ensure that your new windows will look great, perform optimally, and stand the test of time. Whether you're aiming for improved energy efficiency, enhanced curb appeal, or increased home security, the benefits of hiring a professional installation team are undeniable.